Welcome to Lazy But GK One-Liner, your smart stop for quick, easy, and powerful GK. This special section, Class 10, brings direct questions asked in UPSC and other competitive exams, compiled from the ancient history syllabus, including regional kingdoms and dynasties, art and architecture, religion and philosophy, trade and economy, inscriptions, science and medicine, society and daily life, military and diplomacy, and coins and culture. A perfect high-value booster for every exam. Let's get started. Direct questions asked in UPSC and other exams. Question 1. Which ancient town had an elaborate water harvesting system with dams? Answer: Dholavira. Question 2. Major features of Harappan urban planning? Answer: grid layout, drainage system, standardized bricks. Question 3. Features of Indus Valley civilization? Answer: urban planning, drainage systems, use of seals, trade. Question 4. Trade practice of Indus civilization? Answer: trade with Mesopotamia and extensive internal trade. Question 5. State the main source for Harappan script study? Answer: seals and pottery inscriptions. Question 6. What was the significance of Harappan seals? Answer: used for trade and possibly administrative control. Question 7. What distinguished Harappan pottery? Answer: polished redware and black painted designs. Question 8. Name a significant metal used in Indus Valley tools. Answer: bronze. Question 9. Material of the famous dancing girl figurine found in Mohenjo-daro? Answer: carnelian. Question 10. Importance of Lothal in Indus Valley civilization? Answer: important port city and dockyard. Question 11. Which civilization centers around the concepts of dharma and rita? Answer: ancient Vedic civilization. Question 12. What are the Vedas? Answer: ancient sacred texts of Indo-Aryans. Question 13. Aryan's contribution to Indian society? Answer: Varna system and Vedic religion. Question 14. Main philosophical content of Upanishads? Answer: concept of self, Atman, Brahman and Moksha. Question 15. What is Upanishad? Answer: philosophical texts of Vedic tradition. Question 16. What is Mlecha in ancient texts? Answer: foreigners or those outside the Vedic culture. Question 17. Describe the social fourfold Varna system. Answer: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras. Question 18. Main constituents of the Vedic society? Answer: family-centered clans and tribes with priests and warriors. Question 19. Role of Ganas and Sanghas in ancient India? Answer: republic or oligarchic tribal formations. Question 20. Meaning of Janpada? Answer: tribal or territorial kingdom during Mahajanpada period. Question 21. Origin of early iron use in India? Answer: around 1200 BCE in central India. Question 22. Who founded the Mauryan Empire? Answer: Chandragupta Maurya. Question 23. Last ruler of the Mauryan dynasty? Answer: Brihadratha. Question 24. Foreign traveler who wrote about Mauryan Empire? Answer: Megasthenes. Question 25. Author of Arthashastra? Answer: Kautilya, Chanakya. Question 26. Who composed the Arthashastra? Answer: Chanakya, Kautilya. Question 27. What was the role of Rajuka in Mauryan administration? Answer: Revenue officer at village level. Question 28. What does Pradeshika in Ashokan administration refer to? Answer: Village level officer. Question 29. What was the main focus of Ashoka's edicts? Answer: Propagation of dharma and governance policy. Question 30. Ashokan policy on Kalinga war aftermath? Answer: Promotion of peace, dharma, non-violence. Question 31. Famous inscription by Ashoka on rock edicts? Answer: Rock Edict 13 at Girnar. Question 32. What is dharma according to Mauryan inscriptions? Answer: Righteous path, moral law. Question 33. Describe Mauryan Empire's extent during Ashoka's reign. Answer: Almost entire Indian subcontinent except southern tip. Question 34. What is ahimsa? Answer: Doctrine of non-violence. Question 35. Period of Tamil Sangam literature? Answer: Sangam age, circa 300 BCE to 300 CE. Question 36. Who were the Sangam period rulers? Answer: Cheras, Cholas, and Pandyas. Question 37. The language of Sangam literature? Answer: Tamil. Question 38. What is the Sangam concept of Tinai? Answer: Landscape-based categories of poetry. Question 39. What is Sangam literature known for? Answer: Tamil poetic works with themes of love and war. Question 40. Who was Pushyamitra Shunga? Answer: Founder of Shunga dynasty after Mauryan decline. Question 41. Major port of the Satvahan dynasty? Answer: Pratishtana, modern Paitan. Question 42. Who was Chandragupta first? Answer: Founder of Gupta dynasty as recognized in inscriptions. Question 43. Who was Samudragupta? Answer: Gupta emperor known for military conquests and cultural patronage. Question 44. Era commonly associated with Gupta Empire? Answer: 4th to 6th century CE. Question 45. Dominant religion during Gupta period? Answer: Hinduism, with flourishing Buddhism and Jainism. Question 46. Major feature of the Gupta administration? Answer: Decentralized but effective provincial governance. Question 47. Capital city of Gupta Empire? Answer: Patliputra. Question 48. Importance of Harsha in Indian history? Answer: Emperor who unified northern India after Gupta decline. Question 49. Which dynasty built the Sun Temple at Konark? Answer: Eastern Ganga dynasty. Question 50. Major Buddhist rock-cut cave sites in India? Answer: Ajanta and Ellora caves. Question 51. Significance of Nalanda University? Answer: Premier Ancient Learning Center and Buddhist Monastery. Question 52. Significance of Nalanda? Answer: Ancient Center of Buddhist Learning and Monastery. Question 53. Language used in Ashoka's inscriptions? Answer: Prakrit written in Brahmi script. Question 54. What was the primary language of Ashoka's inscriptions? Answer: Prakrit. Question 55. What is the significance of Gandhar school of art? Answer: Fusion of Greek, Central Asian and Indian artistic elements. Question 56. Who was Kanishka? Answer: Kushan ruler, patron of Buddhism. Question 57. What was the significance of the Bhakti movement? Answer: religious reform and devotional worship. Question 58. Purpose of Buddhist stupas? Answer: relics repository and worship site. Question 59. What was Ashwamedha? Answer: horse sacrifice ritual for royal sovereignty. Question 60. What is Rajdharma in ancient Indian polity? Answer: king's duty to protect people and uphold dharma. Question 61. Importance of Pushkarini? Answer: temple tank for ritual cleansing. Question 62. Architectural style of Khajuraho temples? Answer: Nagara style. Question 63. What were the Gandhars? Answer: ancient kingdom in northwest India, rich in art and culture. Question 64. Who was Bimbisara? Answer: early Magad king and patron of Buddha. Question 65. Who founded Buddhism? Answer: Siddharth Gautama, Buddha. Question 66. Chand Hanuman? Answer: a work attributed to playwright Bhasha. Question 67. Describe the social fourfold Varna system? Answer: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras. Question 68. Role of Rajuka in Mauryan administration? Answer: revenue officer at village level. Question